Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in into your PNC Bank account online. Whether you log in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you out. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official PNC Bank website by typing in pnc.com. Make sure it's an official website so you don't get scammed. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign on button, which is usually found at the top right of the screen. Click on it and this will take you to the login page. On the login page, you'll see the fields asking for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be sure to type your password carefully to avoid any errors. Before clicking on the sign on button, here are a few security tips. Always use a secure network to access your banking information. Do not share your login credentials with anyone. Ensure your device has updated antivirus software. Once you're ready, click on the sign on button. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll be logged into your PNC Bank account. You can now access all the online banking features such as checking your balance, transferring funds, and more. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your PNC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.